In today's world, we have so much information at our fingertips. We can easily access any kind of information that we want with our phones and laptops. We can learn things so much faster than we could 20 years ago. So, to me, gardening can be fun and enjoyable, and it can really help you to distress and relax your mind after a long day of work, right? And the best thing is that it is the only hobby or it is the only activity that allows you to taste your own fruits of your own work, your own effort, and from your own heart. And in today's world, with today's technology, you can do all this with less trouble, faster learning, and of course with less money. In my YouTube channel, I will show you how you can become a new generation gardener. You will discover how you can leverage the technology and leverage the data out there to learn and master gardening. A new generation gardener is someone who is very resourceful, gather good information about the plants, about the environment, and do quick research that helps him or her to grow plants with a much higher success rate. Because they can easily avoid all those amateur mistakes that many gardeners make. And because they have so much understanding about their plants, about their environment, they can learn fast and implement fast and eventually become a gardening master in a very short period of time. As a new generation gardener, you no longer have to trial and error anymore, and you no longer have to wait 3 months or 9 months or even a year to find out if you are doing right or not. Because gardening is not a activity that you will get results very fast. And you don't need the so-called luck or the natural talent to become good at gardening. Because gardening is not about talent or skill, right? It's a lot more about the knowledge and implementation. And my mission is to impact and create a million new generation gardeners. And if you are one of them, or if you want to enjoy gardening with less problems, with less stress, and with less money, join me on my mission by subscribing to my YouTube channel. You will see 3 new videos on my channel every week. Regardless if you are a beginner or you are gardeners with years or even decades of experience, I can guarantee you that you will learn something new. So go on, click on the subscribe button, and I will see you in my videos.